Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacqs Scraps. Thanks for joining me today for a design team haul from Country Craft Creations. So these are the goodies that I received in my package, and this time I'll be working with the Winter Wonderland collection from Carta Bella. This is a gorgeous floral winter collection and I'm really excited to be working with it. So let me go through all the goods that I received. First, we have these gorgeous flowers from Prima. The item number is 672720. These are actually from the Home Baker collection, but the colors go really well with the Winter Wonderland by Carta Bella. So this is a great mix-up of products. Now, I don't really use flowers a lot, so we'll see how we use these. Probably these little ones. The next thing I have is the Ephemera. There are 33 die cut pieces. So these are all the ephemera pieces that you get, and I've laid them out here so that you could see them all at one time. And then I have a couple others here. I just love this winter one. It's so pretty. The next thing I received is the chipboard accents for Winter Wonderland. I'm not quite sure how many are here, but a nice variety. We have some flags down here, some sentiments, floral pieces. I love the pine cones here and the little snowflakes with the blue tint to them. Now these are one-sided chipboard elements, so these will be perfect for a cover. I also received some ribbon. Let's take a look. Now there are two different colors of seam binding here, like a sage color and this bluish gray color. That's gorgeous. I think I may have used that before in another project, maybe my Winter Wonderland project. And then there's this other kind of ribbon. It's like a sheer ribbon. This is really nice, so pretty. Probably about what, 5/8 of an inch wide to 3/4 inches. Very pretty. I also received 2 medium weight pieces of chipboard, and here is the element sticker sheet. This is really loaded with all kinds of goodies, different size elements. A nice border here at the bottom. Cozy winter vibes. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, that is adorable right there. Hope you can see that. It's super cute. Love these wreaths. They're so pretty. This is just a gorgeous collection. And now let's take a look at the papers. So this is the 3x4 journaling cards. Of course, this is the B side, and here is the A side. Baby, it's cold outside. Discover the beauty of winter. The chill of winter is warmed by friends and family. You make me snow happy. Really, really pretty. These are just gorgeous. I love this right here. Oh my gosh, that could be like a cover to a book. This one is the back of the 4x6 journal cards. It has a very subtle print on here of the pine cone and leaves. This is a tone-on-tone design. And then here are the 4x6 journal cards. Just a little winter magic. So pretty. Here we have the 4x4 journaling cards. Snowflake kisses. Here is the back side with these gorgeous snowflakes. This is the 6x4 journaling cards when I flip it over, but look how gorgeous these flowers are. Oh my gosh. They almost look like they're watercolor flowers, but not really. Maybe it's just my glasses. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then here are the 4x6 journaling cards. Dashing through the snow. Welcome winter. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, just so pretty. This is Beauty of Winter Bunches. Not my favorite color here, but let's look on the other side. Oh yes, oh my gosh. So this will be a nice matting color because when you put that on the back of this, I like it. But on its own, not so much. But look at that. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Just beautiful. The next one is called Mixed Flowers, but here we have these snowflakes. Very pretty. And then here are the mixed flowers. On this side, we have some snowflakes and like blowing wind design. Very pretty. And then on the other side, pine cones and pine. This one is called Snow Day Stems, but here we have this nice green. This is kind of a diamond and X pattern. I hope you can see the different patterns. Oh my gosh, and more floral. So pretty. I've not seen this collection, so I'm seeing it with you for the first time, and it's just gorgeous. Perfect winter floral. Some snowflakes here. I love this design. It's kind of fun. Snowflake Kisses is what this one is called. Gorgeous. I love snowflakes. Snowy swirls. So we have like snow on this side, and I think that's a black color. And then here's the snow swirls. So this was what I was talking about with this design. It has these little swirls on it, tone on tone here, and then white on this other color. I'm not even quite sure what color that is. Just really pretty. This one is called Swirl Floral. There is a tone on tone pattern of florals and leaves on this side. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's kind of dark. And then here's the other side. Here we have large diamonds and then squares, and this is Winter Day Flakes. So they've got geometry and florals going on in this collection. And here's the snowflakes. And then we have, of course, the solid colors. So here we have dark green and pink. So they're calling that a pink, but I'm not sure. It doesn't really look, it's not a typical pink for sure. It's not even corally. I'm not quite sure what you would call this kind of pink. Maybe a salmon, like a dark salmon. And then we have dark pink and blue. So here is the dark color. The dark pink, wow. I don't know why they think that's pink. And then navy and green. Okay, so what I thought was black is navy. I don't know, it looks darker than the navy. Very interesting colors, but it's still gorgeous, right? So that was the gorgeous paper collection. And what I also received in my package was these 2 acrylic pieces. Now, when you get them, of course, they have a covering on them. And so what you need to do is just peel that off to reveal the acrylic piece. So it looks like I'll be making a tag album out of this. And I think that will be fun. I haven't created one of those in quite some time. So this is the acrylic piece. Very nice. That's probably about 1/8 of an inch thick acrylic. Ooh, this is going to be nice. So that's my design team package. I'm looking forward to creating this tag album. I think that's going to be so pretty, and I can't wait to share that with you. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.